टू बिल्ड वेल्थ सेविंग्स इज नॉट इनफ। सेविंग एक अच्छी प्रैक्टिस है। जो देश या इंडिविजुअल सेव नहीं करता उसे आगे चल के बड़ी प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकती हैं, पर सिर्फ सेविंग्स काफी नहीं है। लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई थ्रू एन एग्जांपल। Suppose you keep 10,000 rupees in your safe for 5 years. After 5 years, you still have 10,000 rupees, right? Wrong. This is because of inflation. In India, inflation ranges from 6 to 8%. This means that products and services get 6 to 8% more expensive each year. 10,000 rupees in 5 years will buy fewer goods and services than it will buy today. Therefore, inflation corrodes your wealth and stagnant money does not serve you. Even if you keep your money in a savings account in a bank, you will get an interest rate between 4 and 8%. But let's go back to inflation chart. Notice that sometimes inflation goes above 12% too. Therefore, a savings account at best keeps you at the same level of wealth. Often even a savings account cannot protect you from the inflationary pressures. Therefore, if you want to grow your wealth, you must invest. One major investment benefit is that investing lets you not just beat inflation or maintain the same wealth levels, but to actually build new wealth. Let's look at some benefits of investing in the stock market. 1. Passive source of income. A lot of investors have a full-time job and they treat investing like a side hustle that helps them grow their wealth. अपनी जॉब से आपको स्टेबल इनकम का फायदा मिलेगा और इन्वेस्टिंग से आप लॉन्ग टर्म वेल्थ क्रिएट कर सकते हैं। 2. Grow alongside companies. As the companies you invest in grow, your wealth grows right alongside them. 3. Freedom to choose. Stock market gives people a lot of options. For stable and reliable returns, investors can pick blue chip companies. Can invest in small cap companies. जिन लोगों को above average levels of uncertainty से प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, इसके लिए IPOs में भी इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं। Dear viewer, the road to financial independence and wealth lies through investments.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.